Living in Canada in 2025, feeling that pinch at the grocery store or gas pump? Don't worry today, I've got 7 smart, proven money tips specifically for everyone that'll help you thrive financially this year. Stay tuned as I walk you through each step, and don't forget to follow, like, share, and drop a comment with your favorite money tip. Tip 1. Track your spending. Know where your money goes. Use free budgeting apps like YNAB, Koho, or Wealthica to track every loonie. In 2025, AI budgeting tools even categorize your spending automatically, making it easier to stay on budget. Tip 2. Master the TFSA and FHSA. Maximize your tax-free accounts. The TFSA limit is now $7,000 a year. And if you're a first-time homebuyer, the FHSA lets you save up to $8,000 per year tax-free. That's free money if you use it wisely. Tip 3. Shop smarter with loyalty and flyers. Combine loyalty programs like PC Optimum with flyer apps like Flip. Canadians can save hundreds a year just by stacking deals and planning grocery runs in advance. Tip 4. Cut cost of living with co-living or house hacking. Housing is expensive, especially in cities like Toronto or Vancouver. Try co-living or house hacking by renting out part of your home or sharing space with roommates. This can cut your housing costs by up to 50%. Tip 5. Automate investing. Let your money grow passively. Apps like Wealthsimple or Questrade allow you to automate investments into ETFs, RRSPs, and TFSAs. Even starting with $25 a week builds long-term wealth. Tip 6. Stay ahead of inflation. Inflation is still high. Keeping your money in a low-interest account means it's losing value. Use high-interest savings accounts like EQ Bank, or invest to make your money grow faster than inflation. Tip 7. Embrace the side hustle economy. 2025 is the year of the side hustle. Whether it's gig apps, tutoring online, freelancing, or selling digital products, there are more ways than ever to earn extra income in your spare time. Remember, smart money moves don't require a big income, just better habits. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit that follow or subscribe button, share it with a friend, and let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first.